Welcome to the Knowledge Check. There are 8 Knowledge Check questions to help review information from the training modules. Let's get started. Question 1. About 20% of young people in the United States do not drink any water during the day. Is this true or false? The correct answer is true. Research shows that about 1 in 5 young people in the United States do not drink any water during the day. Question 2. Schools that participate in the National School Lunch Program are required to provide access to free drinking water, A, all day throughout the school campus, B, in the cafeteria only, C, in all locations where lunch meals are served during the meal period, or D, all of the above. The correct answer is C. Schools that participate in the National School Lunch Program are required to provide access to free drinking water in all locations where lunch meals are served during the meal period. Question 3. Schools that receive their water from a public utility are required to regularly test the water for lead. Is this true or false? The correct answer is false. Schools that receive their water from a public utility are not required to regularly test the water for lead. However, the Environmental Protection Agency does recommend that schools implement a testing program. Question 4. Which of the following is a strategy recommended in the Environmental Protection Agency's 3 T's guidance for schools to reduce exposure from lead in drinking water? Is it A, only using water from the cold tap for drinking and cooking, B, cleaning tap aerators following best practices, C, flushing all taps regularly to ensure that water is regularly moving, or D, all of the above? The correct answer is D. All of these strategies are recommended in EPA's 3 T's guidance. Question 5. School districts can promote effective access to drinking water by adding language to the local school wellness policy. True or false? The correct answer is true. School districts can add language about access to drinking water in the local school wellness policy. Question 6. Which of the following is a strategy for creating effective access to drinking water? Is it A, ensuring drinking fountains are clean and properly maintained, B, sharing information to staff, students, and families about water quality, C, posting water promotional materials near water fountains, or D, all of the above? The correct answer is D. All of these are strategies for creating effective access to drinking water. Question 7. When water is promoted and cups are provided, students drink more water. Is this true or false? The correct answer is true. Research shows that when water is promoted and cups are provided, more students choose water and there is an increase in the amount of water that students drink. Question 8. Which of the following are strategies schools can use to promote drinking water? Is it A, posting water promotional material near water fountains, B, using water-themed lessons, C, educating parents, caregivers, staff, and students about the benefits of drinking water, or D, all of the above? The correct answer is D. All of these are strategies that schools can use to promote drinking water.